Oh, this one's a huge.
What are you doing? It's like I say, I caught your hand in the cookie jar, but I caught it in the batter.
Hey! You just got it on the counter.
That's all right, because what are we doing tonight?
Keep making cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Wait, don't you have school tomorrow?
No.
No school tomorrow. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake some cupcakes because your intention was to what? It was to use what?
This is sour.
Fondant.
Yeah, fondant. You wanted to play with some fondant tonight.
Okay, Dad, we're going to put them into
And I have to say that you are Funfetti-licious in your preparation on this.
Let me
All right, let's not eat it all before we actually get into it.
Stop. They're gone. Bring it over there. So we could pour it into these.
So this is basically baking 101. This is a step up from what I actually know.
How do you put one in?
Look at the skills on this, though, really.
John, my turn. We take turns. I need a little bit more. We take turns, John. I'm gonna start with this. So
I still have chicken in here. Oh, man.
stop, Joe. Stop.
I gotta get that out of there.
Yeah, is that okay?
Well, according to all the cooking shows that you watch, I would say that that's pretty appropriate.
Okay, my turn.
Speaking of which, what is your favorite cooking show?
Mine is
Just Desserts.
Zumbo's Just Desserts. What else you got?
It's on Netflix. If
And
you
Sugar
need to
Rush.
watch it.
It's on Netflix. All right, we have a paid sponsor, apparently.
Is that enough?
No.
I don't think it's ever enough, son.
Okay, bye.
We're gonna top it with icing.
Actually, the intention is we're going to use fondant tonight. However, then it became into an escapade of cupcake batter.
To overflow. Sorry.
So how do we celebrate Martin Luther King?
Great. No school tomorrow?
By making cupcakes.
No school tomorrow.
All right. Iron Mike says we need more.
More.
We need more, he says.
Never more. That's more shit.
All right, favorite cooking show, go.
Zumbo's Just Dessert.
Zumbo's Just Desserts. Actually, it's more like a baking show, all sweets.
Who said that? No more sugar?
No,
Who
I didn't say that.
Who did?
Nobody said more sugar. Iron Mike just said more. I'm assuming he means more batter in the cupcake tin.
That's too much sugar.
Too much sugar.
They're done.
Sugar, sugar.
Okay.
Wait, you can't be done with 3. All right, so what we have going on here is we are making cupcakes on a very intentional process of using fondant, as our daughter decided fondant was a great way to spend the evening.
I'm making the Yiga hideout. Yiga.
All right, Iron Mike says Hell's Kitchen, which we haven't seen.
Hell's Kitchen?
Rosemary says, and no work for me, with a big old smiley face.
No.
Juan, what's up, buddy? Let's go Cubbies.
Ooh, this thing's great. Hey, that's... Daddy!
All right, so let's get this cracking so that we can...
Like, once they're done.
The oven's on.
I know. Once they're done cooking, can we like cut a little hole and put some sprinkles in?
Of course we can. Let's talk about something even more important. We got chicken that I never took out of the air fryer,
Done?
and it is ready to go. So I got to put that away. Sunday meal prep day. Got some egg noodles we had for dinner. Those were delicious, dear, by the way.
Cool.
Honey, do you want to make a guest appearance in this live? No.
Daddy, go for it.
Ann says that she really wishes she was with us right now so we can make some cupcakes.
Dad, do this.
David, the air fryer is a must-have. If you don't have one, you're missing out. It doesn't matter how fast the train is going. If you're not on it, you're missing the ride, brother.
Daddy, do this.
Oh, Oh, what'd you do there?
That was you.
Oh, yeah, it was mine.
Okay, bye.
Oh, there you go, son.
Sorry.
He's got it.
Okay, bye.
All right, so while you're filling the cupcake tins, Scott Curtis even says he's off tomorrow.
Daddy. Cool. Daddy.
The kids have school.
Daddy.
What?
Dad.
What?
This is the secret. Go towards Mom and scare her with the video.
You want me to scare Mom with a video? That would be ludicrous. I have no makeup on. My hair's not did.
Daddy.
Are you kidding me? My hair's not did.
But, Daddy, go by the back of the couch, head behind the table, and scare her.
You want me to scare Mom? Are you out of your mind?
No, Daddy. Are you out of your mind?
That's crazy talk.
Crawl, Dad.
Want me to crawl?
Crawl, Dad.
How far down do you want me to get to scare Mom? Hey, what's your favorite part about this weekend?
My Chromebook.
Your Chromebook. Hey, tell the fine people what the token process is. How do you get rewarded with tokens?
Okay, this is how I get rewarded with tokens.
She's still working on it.
I read, then get another token. That's all.
I'm helping.
I've actually seen people do this before.
I think we're eating more of the batter than we're actually putting into the cupcake tin.
What have you done?
Yeah, he wants me to get busted. Nothing.
Nothing.
Shh. All right, he's off to doing something. All right, so let's get these in the oven as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll try my best. I'll hurry.
I'll tell you what, let me finish this up.
No.
Yep, let me finish it.
You're good.
I know I'm good. Great. Great.
That's not.
All right, so here's the art of making, look at that. And if you get a little bit messy, it's all right. Because guess what? It's not perfect.
Sorry. I'll put a little bit.
What's your favorite song to listen to while you're making cupcakes? You know what's really difficult? Actually recording and filling the tin simultaneously.
Oh, Mommy didn't like my surprise.
She didn't like your surprise? All right, you know what I also discovered? That we have way too much batter.
You could eat it.
Hey, David, if you're still on here, get an air fryer. And you can make anything in the air fryer. You can make meat, vegetables, potatoos.
A juice.
I don't know if you can make juice in the air fryer. That'd be actually pretty interesting, though.
Daddy, can you please have some of your water?
Most any carb.
Dad.
All right. That's fine. Your finger, that's pretty disgusting, actually, at this point.
Dad.
Yeah.
Water?
Yeah, you got water. But don't take too much, my H2O. Look at that.
Dad, get this in the oven.
Get these in the oven.
Immediately, what you waiting for? Get them in the oven now.
And now, then can we,
What does mean, by the way? I'm sure people would love to know what mean.
I'm not telling you. Not telling you.
All right, surprise.
Dad, get those in the oven.
How many quarts is this air fryer? 5.3 quarts is this air fryer. So this holds a heavy load. Right here. All right, so let's get these in.
350 Fahrenheit.
All right, let's get these in, and then we'll come back on live possibly to see what the end result looks like so we can show how the fondant goes on. All right, make it a great Sunday. Or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, brother.
It says